cohesion, networking, exchange.
Opportunity, development, visibility.
So Aksioma Institute for Contemporary Art has been established at the beginning of this century, around the year 2002, I believe. And it's a non-for-profit cultural organization based in Ljubljana, Slovenia, that has a very specific mission, in a way, to investigate the impact, the effect of the implementation of new technology in society at large. We are not rejecting technology a priori. We want to understand what they means, what is behind. We want to open black boxes as much as possible. Masters and Servers is a European project that we started to implement in 2014. Aksioma was leading this process. Through this European project, we started to co-create a set of activities, and from the beginning we started to think in what way we could co-produce or work together. There's a lot of this knowledge exchange and experience exchange around this collaboration. In terms of audience development, for example, you can exchange experiences or maybe to plan some activity to enhance this aspect not only on the local level but on the international level.
Artists can get more possibilities of showing their work and developing their work in different situations, in different environments, like gallery or public space or different countries, different audience.
There's an artist, her name is Amisu. She's from the Netherlands. She applied for the open call that Masters and Servers launched, and she didn't make it, but she arrived second, right? Because of that, actually one of our partners decided within the European project to invite her to Rijeka in this case, to have a workshop. Well, by attending this event, I saw her lecture and I said, wow, this is interesting for our audience. And so we invited her to Ljubljana a year after, and to produce a completely new work that was presented here. So that tells you a lot about the legacy and about, how this project was important also for an artist that wasn't directly participating to an activity outside the European project. She had the chance to work with all those institutions that were involved in Masters and Servers. Masters and Servers was a good platform for all of us to make a very concrete experience, to consolidate our position, to feel more comfortable for future projects.
After Masters and Servers, let's say that all partners stayed in touch, and two European projects were developed from this consortium. So I think both are very active and doing well.
Now it would be even the time to try to go bigger with a project with more partners involved, since we feel comfortable that we have enough experience to do that.